Traders, hey, and to the non-traders that are just checking out the video, welcome to Scotty's Trading. It is about 4:40 in the afternoon now, Saturday. Been doing a little bit of back testing. I thought I'd do a weekend or end of week update, which I always do typically on Saturday. Sunday, what I normally do present is a bit of a next week watch list, which it's more from a longer term perspective. So I've sort of focused on more trend trading when it comes to entries. Well, I do trend trading. So now we've got here, and it doesn't always look like this, is the Euro US dollar. So this month I started with $1,000. So this is where we're sitting currently. That's unrealized. So we're looking at around 3% for the Euro US dollar. Pound yen was a trade. It was quite a wide stop loss, and I only have a small account, so I'm probably going to be adding another 1,000 or so to this account just so it prevents from this happening, because I only ever risk 2% max. So I had to dim down quite a lot on the Aussie dollar trade, but those two were two losing trades. So I mean, it would have been about the same anyway. It's just over 4% there. So like I said, it doesn't always go like this. But the Euro US dollar, I'm going to be moving the stop on Monday to around 1% locked in, and I've got another account I'm running as well. That I actually had a USD yen buy trade at the very start of the month. So I've had on the UANDA account, I've had because I think I took that. I might have taken that actually before May, but the distributional losses can happen 3 in a row or whatever. So you've just got to be willing to accept that and move on and take the opportunity. I did. I took this on the 8th of May. So all before the news or whatever. There's quite a lot of turbulence in in the EU especially. I don't really follow that. I just trade what I see. I thought it was going to end here. Got quite close to the stop loss, and I just sort of forgot about the trade. Moved in my favor, moved the stop loss to just below break even. As you can see, I got on 1.1870, and then the stop is now just locked in a tiny bit of profit. That's just to take in consideration spread, which can fluctuate a little bit. I think it's around 20 pips or so I've locked in. So I'll move the stop again at the start of this next week on the Monday, and we'll see what happens. But I see, I'll go to the weekly. 115 or so is significant support, so we'll see what it does when it hits that. I don't actually have a target. I just trail with a moving stop, so obviously there's no risk on here. So I'm in a position now to potentially take another trade next week. Definitely don't want to do that. Let's go to what I want to look at is the pound. This is probably a potential sell trade, like how it's ended for the week. It's pretty interesting. Getting a weekly up. So the thing with trend trading is you want to sort of get in once it makes a bit of a break. So something like this is significant. It's sort of held, and then it's broken down. Like I would have liked to take this trade probably when it did something like this and then have to stop. Well, the stop would have been up at the 55-day moving average is how I play it. I would have survived. But the main concern that I had was that I had a couple of losing trades, and I think it was when this happened I was actually lost already in the week, and I don't like to just take another trade. I like to be quite conservative. So, but the pound is definitely worth watching. I think I talked about the Euro Aussie as well. This is good. If we can see it continue sideways Monday and make a break lower on Tuesday, that would be good as well. But I think what I'm going to do here, guys, is end the video. Feel free, guys, to check out. I've made a couple of recent live videos that are uploaded on avoiding Forex scams and also how to get started on Forex. So if you've got any questions, you want to leave a comment, please feel free. In regards to Forex scams, that video, all of that was live. So if you've got specific questions, in Australia, it's not too bad as a retail Forex trader. Again, though, if someone's promising you the world, be very careful when it comes to managed accounts and signals and things like that. But anyway, guys, enjoy the weekend. I'll be back tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.